Hello and welcome! Today I'll show you how to take a collection of 10 patterns and place them on real products in minutes, almost completely on its own. Let me switch to my screen and walk you through it.
First, let's get our patterns ready. Here's a folder with 10 pattern files, saved as simple JPEGs. I'll open Photoshop and bring these patterns into the Patterns panel. Once they're loaded here, Photoshop can reuse them anywhere, and more importantly, our script can reach them automatically. Here's how to add one. Open the Patterns panel and click the small plus at the bottom of the panel. Give the pattern any name you like and confirm. Then just repeat that for each pattern in your collection. That's the only prep you need. No layers to set up, no smart objects to touch. Now let's look at the mockups. I've gathered them all into a single folder, so the script can work through them one by one. I picked a mix on purpose: wallpaper, textiles, clothing, to see each pattern on all kinds of surfaces. And since my patterns are autumn-themed, I chose mockups with a cozy autumn feel to match. Now the fun part. Let's launch the Pattern Placement Automation script. First, I point it to my folder of mockups. All 20 are in here. Then I choose where the finished images should be saved. I pick one of my patterns from the collection and set the scale so the pattern sits at just the right size on every product. That's it. I hit run, and now I'll simply watch. Look at this. The script opens each mockup, drops the pattern in, blends it to match the surface, and exports the result, one after another, all on its own. I'm not clicking anything. I'm just watching it work. And I'm keeping this in real time on purpose, so you can see exactly how fast this really is. At first glance, it might look like nothing's happening, but the script is hard at work, saving each preview into the folder we chose. Depending on your computer, it may run a little faster or slower, but not by much. And there it is, the word done. That means every mockup with this pattern has been exported. Every image comes out at full resolution, ready to use. Now we just repeat the same process for the other 9 patterns. Let's open the results folder. Everything is sorted neatly, pattern by pattern, clean, organized, and every file is a finished, photorealistic mockup. 10 patterns, 20 mockups each, 200 images, and I barely touched the keyboard. No stray layers, no half-done exports, just images you can send straight to a client or a listing. And think about what that really saves you. A job like this used to mean an entire afternoon of the same clicks, over and over. Now it runs in the background while you do something else. Because the less time we spend on repetitive work, the more time we have for the part that actually matters, the creative part. That's the whole idea. Let the script handle the busy work so you can focus on designing.
And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to try it yourself, the link to the script is in the description. Share your thoughts in the comments, and happy designing!